Estrada nakatao dito kay T-Mac. T-Mac right to the rack. Oh, the deceleration. Humihingi pa ng foul.
Goal is to be part of that list. Meanwhile, both teams are complete and healthy heading into today's do-or-die matchup.
Wants to leave it all on the floor. Jeronimo, aatake. Jeronimo, up and under.
And that is the matchup.
Mukhang walang ginawa tong si Ernje Jeronimo kundi manood ng Manalili highlights.
Nag-scout na. Maganda ang scouting nito ni Jeronimo. Pero kita natin dito, backcourt pa lang. Dinodouble na agad ito si Titing.
Ernje Jeronimo.
Itong energy ng Arellano.
And the double team works. Ernje Jeronimo with the finish. That wants it more. The 50-50 balls are going their way. And Vinoya catches the Letran defense snapping.
Staying on a 2-3 zone.
Vinoya for three. Libang offensive rebound.
And this is the energy, the effort that they showed.
Calls the play. They're daring Manalili to shoot. Estrada drop pass. Santos patient and pure. Energy na binibigay ni Ongotan. His teammates have to back him up. Ongotan for three. T-Mac for three. Manalili to Jimboy. Jimboy on the drive. Jimboy Estrada. In the first quarter final game, Abiera still can't find the bottom of the net. Kamay, multiple fakes. Demetria. He comes alive. Kamay, oh, what a cut. Oh, what a recovery by Kevin Santos.
The timing. Pero I think that's a goaltending. If I'm not wrong, he hit the backboard first.
Estrada with a basket. And that's what Coach Chico Manap. That has only been the game wherein he did Jude Roque things. Oh, not Montesilio.
That's a big three by Montesilio.
The bench. The other point guards from Letran have to step up. A.G. Borromeo with a miss. Oh, Jello Demetria. And Santos gets the stop. Santos to Roque. Roque. And that's why Roque is the scariest player on the floor. At the
Arellano, etong 1-2-2 zone again for Letran. Nahirap Arellano to convert points.
Ongotan, baseline jumper. Let's throw it over to Aaron D. Montesilio. Quahao for three. Deo Quahao. Vinoya flips it up. Oh, Ongotan rising up. Ongotan. Oh my goodness. Of Goliath. Anong height mo?
T-Mac Ongotan flexing.
Ongotan with the rebound. He's doing everything.
Yep, another rebound for him now.
Oh, Quahao with the rejection. Libang with the putback. Arellano, Quahao on the move. Quahao, Montesilio. Roque for three.
And that's his quality minute.
Went Salida in the post. Shovel pass. Santos with the finish. Ernje. Bounce pass. Basti. Wow!
Basti Valencia. Kita natin ito yung finish ni Basti.
Estrada to Manalili. Manalili, no look pass to Salida. See Ongotan. Finally, Jeronimo gets it to T-Mac. Ongotan on the fadeaway. What zone? Montesilio for three. Napped. Montesilio with another one.
This two hands should be on deck.
We got 2 minutes.
Montesilio. Omega, a second triple. Mark. Denver. Omega.
Mark.
Walang nahuli. Roque mula sa kanto. Manalili. Manalili throws it out. Estrada mula sa kanto. It is raining threes for the Knights.
And just the spatial awareness of this guy, Jonathan Manali.
Ma-disorient. The Chiefs are challenged to lock in, finish strong at the rim, and stay composed under the pressure that comes with a game this massive. Back to you, gentlemen.
Oozing with potential. Mark Denver Omega also oozing with potential. Kevin Santos and Jimboy Estrada, an MVP. Hernal have to help him. Estrada. And he's smiling. He's having a blast. Jun Roque is. Oh, a steal here. Ernjay Geronimo. Ernjay with the finish.
And just one.
Estrada. Mr. Estrada for three.
And now Jimboy Estrada.
Professional scorer. That's the build para dito kay Jimboy. For Letran. Kabotahe. Has blocked. Geronimo is running. Geronimo. Ongotan with a floater. Is talking to Omega now. These Chiefs are feisty. And Mark Denver Omega. Nagawa pa niyang attempt yun. Manalili to Santos.
And the Letran nice.
Santos and Roque. Kabotahe. Pulls up and Jordan Kabotahe.
A miss there, pero it's hard if defensive schemes are not working.
Libang with the putback. Salida. Vinoya. Oh, dangerous pass. Kabotahe rises up for three. And Jordan Kabotahe.
And that's the answer we wanted.
Who's 25 minutes. Ongotan with a steal. Pagkakataon para makabawi. Ongotan with a deceleration. Kamay. Vinoya for three. Maverick Vinoya.
Down the lead to 5.
First triple of the game for Vinoya. And
after ng game na to.
Oh, Salida again. Same move, same result. Any pressure right now.
Frustration na nakikita ko yan eh. Tibak eh.
Libang with another tip in. Lead is down to 5. It's gut check time. Dinodouble talaga si Manalili. Manalili missing on the lefty attempt. Ongotan to Kabotahe. Kabotahe! Touchdown!
Oh, with the lefty lay.
Tremendous contribution from Anjord Kabotahe. Salida drop pass. Santos sinigurado. Kabotahe for three. Anjord Kabotahe!
And that's the power.
Making big-time contributions. Dalawa na lang ang labang ng Letran. Jimboy Estrada.
Itong Letran na is Kabotahe being doubled on the corner three, opening up for his teammates.
Can block his shot with that size. Demetria blocked by Salida. AJ Salida blocking that shot.
The stare down also from the green light for him.
Kamay throws it to Anjord. Anjord, another chance. Another basket. A career high in the NCAA for Anjord Kabotahe. 16 points. Jun Roque halfway down on that shot. Ongotan against Santos. Ongotan on the attack. Ongohan slipping, sliding and scoring. On against Kabotahe. The former Naasco rookie MVP, Jimboy Estrada. Arellano, especially T-Mac Ongotan, giving it his all. Salida lays it up and in another delivery from Manalili. Manalili with 5 on the shot clock. Manalili adding some sauce to that pass. Jonathan Moses Titing Manalili. Parang nasa barangay lang. With a jam-packed crowd, experimenting on the fly. That's adjustments for you.
Yup.
And Cabotaje continues to add to his career high.
And parang si Ray yung nagbibigay ng bonus kaya panado yung mga players.
Oh! Geronimo throws the ball away. And that might be the season.
What a luxury to have this guy on your bench, Ray ng backup, mentoring this player, especially Estrada and Manalili.